Billions of dollars are flowing into robotics right now. And where it is going, what are these companies? These companies are like Skild AI, Apptronik, Figure AI, and many more. We call them as frontier AI labs. But interestingly, all of these companies have one common problem. It's not chips, it's not the algorithms, they are good at it. But the problem is about collecting a lot of robotics training data. And interestingly, in generative AI world, this data was available on the internet. However, in the robotics case, there is no internet of robotics data. And there's an opportunity for India. What is that opportunity? India has 50,000 plus factories, 1.4 billion people doing physical tasks every day. And if whole of this India comes together to collect this real world physical task for these robots, literally the robotics revolution will just get on steroids. And more importantly, the data has to be that diverse. The more diverse it is, the better the robots will be. They will be more robust to the different environments. Nobody is talking about this, and I'm going to change that. Good day.